What was business like pre-FormPiper and post-FormPiper, and how has FormPiper benefited you since you've adopted using FormPiper?
So pre-FormPiper, a lot of individual applications, a lot of conversation with customers, a lot of difficulty on the front counter with them having to fill out all the paperwork and running all the applications. So it was cumbersome to the front counter. I think a little bit of a distraction for service advisors having to put in multiple applications and manage that process. After we went on to FormPiper, it went to one application. Customer fills out one simple application through one link that we send them. All that information goes out to all of our financing partners, and it's handled in one fell swoop. It's great. It's a much better process.
And for all those Meinekes that are not set up on FormPiper, what would you tell them? What would you give them?
I would say if you're doing any form of financing, the best thing for you to do is operate through FormPiper. Your life is going to be much more simple. The reporting in there is good, so you know what's going on in your shop. And it helps the front counter. It's less of an argument with your service advisors and your managers on being able to get apps processed. And it makes life a whole lot easier. It is the only way to go. I would never go back to what we were doing. Financing, if you are financing, you need an operation like FormPiper to help you be efficient and effective.
Lastly, how many applications in FormPiper do you need to fill out to get responses from all your lenders? How many FormPiper applications do you send?
One.